Okay, so we got this part of the material is starting to come undone right here. So I'm going to spray some 3M spray adhesive. Just straight into this container. It's pretty messy, but see, I'm just building it up. And then I'm going to come in with my knife and just kind of get in there as much as I can. I might need to spray a little bit more. That's a good hard area for it to grab onto. Let me spray a little bit more. Stuff smells kind of gnarly, but it's really strong and sticky. There, that's a good batch. I want to get it really tucked in along this edge right here, because that's where it's really going to grab on that fold. And if I get a little bit, I'm sure I can wipe it up somehow. But that was not ideal. That one spot is sticking out right there. Okay, and then while it's active, I want to just try to come in. I'm going to take these gloves off actually, just to get a little bit of finger action to tuck it in. And you might come around the other side if you need to. So you can kind of see better what I'm doing. And now I'm going to I'll quickly grab another knife. Pause and start if I need to.
Okay.
See how nicely it just kind of grabs? And then really kind of get that glue pushed against here. Oh, I don't want that. That's what I didn't want to do. And I got a good seal right in that corner. And so hopefully that'll hold it, and then I can just, this one little spot, I can just wipe that away. There you go. Voila.
Right on. That's how you do it.